Hi, I'm Joe Gebhardt, and I'm joined with Richard Scott today, our Utility Program Director. How are you?
I'm good. It's a great day to be here.
It is. It's a nice day outside.
Yes.
Can you just give us a brief background of the Applied Technology Center?
Yes. So the Applied Technology Center was basically formed from an idea of looking at an overall utility program. And therefore, we built a building in less than a year, which was amazing. And we have indoor climbing arena for our electrical program and for the overall utility for like pole climbing, but also tower climbing. And then also HVAC for the HVAC companies in our area to find employees out of our program.
And when did it open?
February 16th, we had our open house. We had over 200 and some people here. There was an open house and ribbon cutting, so we had industry partners in here talking to students, looking over what we had put together, and we've had interaction with them ever since.
So it seems like since it's been open, you've had a good deal of interest with everything that's going on here.
Yes. We're currently building our program with the HVAC, kind of starting from scratch. We had a program before, but obviously now with all technology and everything, it's more upgraded, new, and we've fully formed an advisory committee for that. And then the utility program, students at first were here just to go into line work. Now they're here to look at overall utility careers. It could be water treatment, it could be tower broadband communications, and they're going to municipalities, they're going to local unions, and not just like Consumers Energy, our local, large utility, but we also have a connection with DTE as well. So we're making good connections across the state for our students.
Yeah, it's definitely important to develop those connections with people across the state.
Yes. So getting them into the municipalities like the city of Coldwater, city of Marshall, city of Hillsdale, and then the city of Chelsea is going to hire a couple people coming up. They want to hire out of our program. They specifically said that.
So what can students expect taking classes here?
So the one thing they can expect is really great hands-on opportunity and real-world opportunities. Working with the controls for HVAC. We have amateur controls that are trainers, but we also have actual furnaces and AC units. They can actually climb a pole, get to feel what it is to get up to 45 feet on a pole. 20 feet is kind of a magic number. When they get there, if they don't feel comfortable going any farther, they probably should do something else. Eventually, we want to have excavation training out back so they can run backhoes and mini excavators, do directional boring, those types of things. So the biggest thing is they're getting real world experience. We want our students to be able to go into the industry and say, I could do this for you tomorrow. And one of the biggest things is our CDL program. All the municipalities want a CDL. They'd love to have a student come with a CDL. They can drive all their trucks. The same with some of the union opportunities. That's a pretty important credential to have.
Now, speaking of credentials, are there specific certifications that students can earn through taking classes here?
Yes. So basically, we have a certification. It's a utility technician certification. It is more one that is specific to Jackson Community College, but when we explain what's involved in that, OSHA 10 training, maybe even to OSHA 30, those types of trainings are certified. You'd have certifications in, say, the excavation, knowing that you know how to run this equipment or that equipment. And in HVAC, there's certainly refrigerant certifications and some other certifications that would make you more equipped for commercial rather than residential.
How in demand do you believe utility professionals are, especially in this region?
So actually, overall, the candidate pool is small for all trades. The opportunity within the utility industry is huge. There's a shortage of line workers, there's a shortage of substation workers, there's a shortage of gas workers. Also in HVAC, so 54 companies in the Jackson County. When I talked to our advisory committee and said, how many would you hire right now? All of them said we'd take 3 who had basic fundamentals. I said, once we hire those 3, then would you hire again? They said, you give us 3, we'll take 5. I mean, they're shorted in the number of employees they have that are ready to go. They're turning away work. They're not even fighting over the work. So that field is there. Water treatment, very aged workforce. So they are really screaming for people to come into the water treatment. I tell them, nobody's sitting in a high school class thinking water treatment right now. We're going to have to market that. But those are $30, $40 an hour jobs. So we want to get them into those.
Well, how do you believe that we can really market this to be able to replenish the workforce?
So the biggest thing is getting to the industry partners for sure, and letting the industry know what we're doing and how we're doing it. We want to make sure that they know they're coming out with some basic skills. And the fact that they went through our program, they're done exploring. They know they want to go in the utility industry. They know they want to have a career in there. It's whatever that career may be. And that really helps the industry narrow down their candidate pool when they are looking at candidates, to know that this person definitely wants to be an HVAC worker. They want to do something in the utility.
Why do you believe it's important to have this available here at Jackson College?
Well, I think Jackson College is central. It's sure it's southern Michigan, but we have enough connections. If you think about a 60 or 90 mile radius of Jackson, and some people do commute an hour or half hour, 45 minutes. That's what makes Jackson a kind of a hub location for this. We are reaching out to other colleges as well, like Lansing Community College and Grand Rapids Community College. We may be bringing some of their students here to help them do things that they can't do at their college right now.
How can students, or prospective students, I should say, get in contact with you to get the ball rolling?
Well, the first thing is go on our website and just type in utility technician, type in utility, and that'll take you right to that program. HVAC will do the same. That'll get you connected to a navigator. That navigator will help you get enrolled, but also help you with the registration component to becoming a student at Jackson College. And that really is their best path, is to go right to the website and get right to those programs.
All right, before I let you go, is there anything that you feel as though it's important for the community to know?
Yeah, I think they just need to know that we're here to help them find that next employee, and find that next employee who not only has skills, but we are building character and employability into our programs. And a lot of the feedback I'm getting back from our companies that are hiring our students is they're respectful. They show up on time. They want to give work for a day's pay, and the skills are a bonus. And that's really what we want out of this program, is our students coming out there being a good employee and being able to show up on time, show up every day. And a lot of companies tell me, if you do that and you're trainable, I can basically make you what I need you to be, but I need that on the front end.
Yeah, it's definitely very important to be as professional as possible in any workplace. All right, thank you very much for joining me today.
Thanks, Joe. It's been great talking with you.
Yeah, it's been great talking with you as well. And thanks for watching.